going and got my Pokemon cards. I literally have Surfetched V card. I literally have a V card. Yes, a V card. They are rare ones. They're hard. Dude, you guys will not believe the type of card I have. Yeah, I have a gold card, but sadly I lost that gold card, but oh boy, it was the goldest gold card that ever golded me. Mega Charizard EX! There we go. That's how I know. So yeah, that one's good. I'm trying to find my turn tie. Oh guys, I'll be opening some Pokemon cards today. Sounds interesting. Can't find them though. So guys, I'm opening this yes. Welcome back to another video, I guess. So hi guys, welcome back to this one. Dang it! Okay, do the shuffle. Alright, now I'm looking. Ooh, I believe I got that. I never got Dottler. That guy's cool. That guy. That's cool. Aw, Joltik. The way he was made so derpy. Oh, silly Cobra. I was kind of hoping for that. Blip Bug. This guy evolves in the Dottler. I'll set it up. Evolution line. I go lean. I got the lean. Kricketot. Apom. I already have this guy. Yeah. The fighting memory. Fighting memory. That's cool. That's good. That's good. Oh my gosh. So, okay, guys. If I get a shiny, I'll be surprised. Let's go. Dusclops. Swirl and Linoon. Yeah, guys, I have more chances for the rare EX and GX. Henry's currently beating me with GXs and EXs. I cannot allow that. He even has one of those rainbow cards I heard of. I don't even have it. Ugh. Getting whoa, this is a cool Charmander. Holographic Charmander card. Is this whole? Dang it. Bad luck. One, two, three, 4, 5. Second. Oh my. This is a good card. I believe it's a good one. Bellsprout. Onyx. I know these look good. Sparrow. Sizzlipede. I like that guy. Cool. I saw Shinx. Rapid Strike. Rapid Strike Energy. Wow. XP Share. Is he good? Charcoal. Fire energy and then is storage. Oh, these are good cards. I got all good cards. Oh, these are so good cards. Now, oh yeah, the tin. Got the tin open. Now let's see what are inside. Well, they have this on back. So we need the cool scheme. Oh, and this is cool. This is cool. Cool. What I got today? Come here. Have some of these. Oh, I got 2 packs. Shining face. Shining face. Face. I'm gonna need scissors. So guys, 1 second. I'll be right back. I'll be on defense. I'll be right back. I went through a lot in my life. I went through a lot. You think you still got these? Boom! Wow, these are cool. Guys, here's a part 2 because I accidentally ended the last video. Accidentally that happened. Here is part 2 of the Pokemon Madness. There's a little one card. And guys, also, if I'm not able to open these the way I open the others, I'll get some of those. What's on right now? Boss's orders. Don't know why I have that. Order. I need it. Mom! Yeah? Come here! Look at this card. So good.
What'd you get?
You will not believe it. Look.
You moved this really far away.
Yeah, because I accidentally ended one of the videos, so this is a part 2 to that video.
All right.
Part 2 of the Pokemon Madness. Yeah, that one's a good one. Ooh,
Yeah.
Cuffin. And look, those two go together. Look, this guy is the evolution of this guy.
That's cool.
So this psychic energy. Why did I do that? I accidentally peeked. Psychic energy. And oh my gosh, I forgot about this guy. The butt mouth guy, Snom.
Oh.
It looks like he has a butt for a mouth. So funny. Yanma. Gossiflor. Eevee.
Careful not to bend them.
Bow guy. Rusted sword.
Cool.
Comes with the legendary.
And who's that?
I have no idea.
Let me see.
Luxio.
Oh, I like this one.
This is the last pack. Or this is the last pack I have over here. Are there more?
That's all for right now. Now, which pack are you opening?
That one. Yep.
Shining Fates.
Yep. That's so close to me. Hold on a minute. I want a minute. Ugh.
Careful opening it.
I can't do it.
Here. Here.
You may take a peek at the cards.
I'll take a peek at the first card.
No, wait. Take a peek at every card and leave the best one in the back.
Okay.
Don't tell me anything. I'm so happy. I have my eyes open and I don't see a thing.
Okay. All right, here.
Now, Rowlet, Nicket. I already got the CV. Look. I literally got the CV last pack.
Cool.
Hey, Mom, want a Pokemon card? They're exactly the same ones.
Sure.
One Eevee. Here you go. That one's an Eevee. I'm a really good Pokemon card collect. That's the floor. Is that one the best?
No, I put the best ones in the back.
Okay. Rompus, Gym Trainer, Rotom, Morpeko, Grookey. I barely see the outline of one of those similar rare cards. Yep, it's definitely one.
Here, let's see the Grookey one, because it was all holographic. And then what's that one?
Karen V Max.
Is that a good one to have?
Yes, it's a really good one.
All right, are you done with your video?
And apparently, I don't know where my return test is. Guys, that's about it for this video. Besides, after I play some piano music. Look at this little wow, Kyogre. This is cool. And guys, if you want to hear some piano music, I can play it. This is the final part to the unboxing. These are all the cards I got. I didn't show you all of the cards. I showed you some. That's my tip. That's mine. Let's start all the way over there.
Oh, at this end?
Yes. Shiny, I got.
Oh, Gossifleur. I like that one.
Yep, I have two. Want one? Want Gossifleur, Mom?
Sure.
Sure. They're exactly the same. Which one?
You can pick for me.
Here.
Oh, you got the little elephant one.
Yep, I got the elephant. Puffin.
Cuffant? Oh, that one's really cute.
Yep. There you go, Mom.
Thank
So
you.
that's
Well,
mine.
my hands are full.
Okay, well, that is the base card I got in this unboxing.
Did you have fun?
Yep, I had a good feeling about that last time. I had that.
All right. Why don't you say bye?
Bye, guys. Join in for the next video, and we'll introduce you to Mishu. First, want to see Mishu right now? Comment down answer in the comments below if you want to meet my bearded dragon, whose name is Mishu. He's a small bearded dragon. He's a really tame one. feeling really good and nice. Well,